Hi, Bert and I are back for another week to show you or tell you what is in the email for this week for science. We're gonna do a mini. Before I get to that, I should tell you guys, like, those experiments were so cool. You guys did an amazing job with those, and that was so much fun. And I hope you had fun. I saw some people had they had like a challenge between a family member and one of them, and it was very cool to hear what people did and how many eggshells they used and how much mass from the books the eggshells could hold and why they thought that was happening. It was very cool. So nice job on that. Because that was successful last week, we're going to do another challenge this week. It's a boat challenge, a mini boat challenge. And you just need, I have to get my aluminum foil. You need some aluminum foil. So, but if you don't have aluminum foil, you can use some other material. It's really, it's fine, whatever you want to use. So I've got aluminum foil, and then you're gonna need some sort of something to use for weight. So at my house, we have this big thing of like change. So I used pennies for my challenge. You can use any sort of like metal washer or anything really that can add some weight. It doesn't have to be pennies. So yeah, okay, so the first day is Monday, which is probably the day that you're watching this. And you're gonna start by sketching a few boats. Like, I'm thinking between 4 and 6 boats. And think about what about those shapes will prevent them from sinking, because that's part of the challenge, is you want to add as much weight as possible without having them sink. So how are you going to help those boats float? What about the shape or the size? Tuesday, you're going to make your foil boats. So you're going to need your foil, and you're going to do your best to create little prototypes out of aluminum foil based on your sketches. And then you're going to make a prediction about that. Which one do you think of your 4 to 6 boats will be able to hold the most weight without sinking? On Wednesday, you're going to need a tub of water. So for me, I just use like a baking pan. I don't know if you can see that, but I just used a baking pan and put some water in it, and then my daughter and I had a challenge. That's in a different video, so you'll have to watch that to see what happened. To see which boat of yours will hold the most weight without sinking. Okay, and then you're going to write up your lab report. Was your prediction correct? Did the boat that you thought would hold the most weight, did it? And why or why not? Why do you think that happened? Describe what happened, how much weight your boat held. And that can be weight in pennies. If you can't figure out how much, we probably can go online and figure out how much a penny weighs. Anyway, Thursday, in Canvas, you're going to read and respond to at least 2 other people's lab results. So that worked out really well last week, where it just assigned you a couple of people to go in, read their lab report, and then give them some feedback. So there's some specific pieces of feedback this week that I would like you to give to the people that you're assigned to. And then if you have additional people, you're just curious, hey, what did so-and-so write? Then go in and you can also leave them feedback. But the minimum's 2. Okay. And then Friday, I really like checking in with you guys about what's working, what's not working. I get a lot of good information at that time and what we need to keep and change for next week. I'm really trying to get more organized in Canvas and figure it all out. And you guys are just really kind about staying with me in there. Oh, and okay, so this week, this is just random, or actually it was today. I was doing a bunch of yard work, which is kind of why I got yard work hair going on here. Anyway, and I saw a nest. I thought it was a bird's nest. I think it is a bird's nest. So I'm going to show you. I'll send you some pictures because it's really cool. It's right in the corner of my yard. I wonder if there are some little baby birds in there. Okay, well, there will be more videos this week. And have fun with the boat challenge and let us know how it goes. Okay, that's all for right now.